Little Sprouts friends. I'm here with a listening art activity today. To do this activity with me, you're going to need a piece of tin foil, about that big, maybe 10 inches by 10 inches, and a variety of Sharpie markers. Washable markers won't work for this project. They'll just wipe right off the tin foil, so make sure you use Sharpies, okay? Now this is going to be a little bit different than a directed drawing that you've seen before, because for this one, I'm not going to show you every step on the board. I will use the board to help us, but for most of this activity, you have to listen. So make sure you've got those listening ears on and you are ready to go. All right, first step, Little Sprouts, is find a green Sharpie. Grab your green, and we are going to draw the outline of a Christmas tree on our tin foil. Now this Christmas tree is the main focus of our art project, so it needs to be big. Okay, a little tiny Christmas tree won't work, but you're going to draw a Christmas tree that almost touches the top and almost touches the bottom of your tin foil. Okay? And it's just going to be the outline of a Christmas tree. Don't color it in yet, okay? Then, my little sprouts, I'd like you to reach into your Sharpies and find a brown. And with your brown, you're going to draw a trunk to your tree. The trunk is the brown wood part. And yes, I would like you to color in your trunk with the brown. Now, this is where it probably is going to get to going too fast. If you're stuck on a step or you just need a little bit more time, pause me, and then when you're ready, you can unpause me and we'll be good to go. All right, we're going to start with a star on the top of our tree. So find a yellow, please. And at the top of the tree, so think about what that word means, top, we're going to draw a star. Let me walk you through drawing a star. To make a star, you start with our A shape, which is a slide this way and a slide that way. Once you have the A shape, come to the bottom, and you're going to climb the mountain up and cross. Okay, so now you shove this. Now come over here and go straight across these two lines. Now you have to slide from this line down to that line. Okay, then you can go ahead and color your star in yellow. Next up, you're going to need an orange. So find your orange, and we're going to make some garland. Garland helps decorate our tree. So you're going to start at the top of your tree, and you're going to make garland that goes all the way from one side to the next side, all the way down the tree. So you can notice I'm just doing some swirling lines. That's all garland really is. And you want to make sure and go all the way from the top of your tree down to the bottom of your tree. Once you've done that in orange, then I want you to grab a red, and I want you to repeat that same step. So next to the orange garland, you're going to add in red garland. Okay. Our tree should be looking a little bit more colorful now, huh? All right, friends, now we're going to do ornaments. We are going to do ornaments all over the tree, so make sure you spread them out. Put some on the top, some on the middle, some on the bottom. And when you do ornaments, go ahead and color them in so the color really pops, all right? So the first thing we need is a purple. Grab yourself a purple, and we're going to do 8 circle purple ornaments. 8 circle purple ornaments. Okay, and remember, a circle is a nice round shape, no straight sides. Then you're going to grab a blue. And for blue, we're going to do 6 triangle ornaments. So for a triangle, it starts with that same A shape that we made before, but this time you just go straight across. Okay? So 8 circle ornaments, 6 triangle ornaments. Then you need to grab a pink, and we're going to do 10 heart ornaments. Here's how to make a heart. Curve up, slide down, go to the other side, do the same shape. Curve up, slide down. All right, so this part is going to take you a while. When you think you're done, I want you to double check your work. That means you count them again. So make sure you have 8 circles, 6 triangles, and 10 hearts all around your tree. Okay? Now, we've decorated our tree. Now it's time to put some presents under our tree. The presents go at the bottom of the tree, so think about what that word means, bottom. And we're going to start with an orange present. So find your orange again. And we're going to draw a rectangle present to the left of the tree. So let's talk about how to find left first. Okay, so pretend this is my tree, right? Make your hands like this. Stick up your pointer finger and your thumb. The hand that actually makes the L is left. Hear how it starts with an L? Left. So to the left of the tree, that means this side, I'm going to draw an orange rectangle present. A rectangle is drawn like this. You make 2 straight lines that are long, one on top of the other. Kind of looks like an equal sign if you know what that is. Then you're going to draw straight lines down to connect those. A rectangle has 4 straight lines, but 2 are long and 2 are short. Okay. Then once you're done with that, go ahead and grab your blue, and we're going to put a blue bow on top of our orange gift, kind of like Bronco colors. To make a bow, you just do a loop this way, a loop that way, and then make 2 little strings. So one coming down here and one coming down there. Okay? So again, it's an orange rectangle gift with a blue bow. Now, we're going to go on the right of the tree. That's the other side. And we're going to make a square gift in purple. So grab your purple. And this time we're going to make a square. So a square is different from a rectangle because a rectangle looks like it's been stretched out. On a square, all 4 sides are the exact same length. Okay? There. So that gift is in purple, and then you're going to add a green bow onto your purple square gift. Make the bow the same way. Do a loop and a loop with a little string and a little string. You're almost there. You should have a tree. It should be decorated. You should have a gift on the left, a gift on the right. You're almost done. All right, now I want you to grab your favorite color, totally your choice. Mine would be hot pink, so I would use hot pink for this step. And on the left side of the tree, remember that's the one with the rectangle gift, you're just going to write your name. Now, I don't think you're going to write the same thing as me because your name isn't Miss Brianna, right? You're going to write your name. And again, that should be on the same side as your rectangle gift. Last step, grab a black. All right, on the other side of the tree, where your square gift is, I'm going to have you write Merry Christmas in a black marker. It's a lot of letters, but hang with me because we can do this, okay? So you're on the right side of your tree. You have black. You ready to go? We're going to start with Mary, and it starts with a capital M. So to make that, we go straight down, frog jump back to the top, slide to the bottom, climb up, straight down. E, lowercase, go straight up, come back around to where you started, and go down. R, start in the middle, down, ride the elevator up, hook. Another R, start in the middle, down, ride the elevator up, hook. And now a Y, start in the middle, slide to the bottom, pick your pencil up, go back to the middle, slide into the ground because the Y is a hole digger. There we are. We have Merry. Now we need to write Christmas. Christmas is a long word, so make sure you start over here and leave yourself some space. We're going to start with a capital C. It's a big curve shape like that. H. Start at the top, down, ride the elevator to the middle, and bump to the ground. R. Start in the middle, down, ride the elevator up, and hook. I. Start in the middle, little line down, add a dot. S. Make a curved shape, then switch directions and go the other way to the ground. T. Start at the top, make the big line drop, and then cross in the middle. M. Start in the middle, down, ride the elevator up, bump to the ground, ride the elevator up, bump to the ground. We're almost there. A. Start in the middle, make that magic C shape to the ground, close it up to where you started, and come straight back down. Last letter, S. Curve, switch directions, curve to the ground. Merry Christmas. You did it. All right, so are you ready to see what mine looks like and see if you can compare? Here it is. Here is my tree. And it says Merry Christmas, which is what we just wrote. It says my name, has my garland, my ornaments, my orange rectangle gift, and my purple square gift. And it's a little hard to see on the screen, but man, is it pretty. I hope yours turned out really pretty too.